Yesterday we saw revision topic about the factorization of polynomial. Today we will solve the solved examples. First solved example is x square plus 2x minus 48. X square plus 2x minus 48. Multiply the first and the last term, you get it minus 48 x square. Tell me the factors of 48. 6 8s are 48. The middle sign goes to the bigger number and the opposite sign goes to the smaller number. Now check whether our factors are correct or not. When you multiply minus 6x with 8x, you get minus 48x square. And when you subtract 6x from 8x, that is 8x minus 6x gives you 2x. That means this is the correct factor. So x square minus 6x plus 8x minus 48. Now you may write 8x first and minus 6x later on. The meaning is same. The answer also comes right. Take common in these two. X is common. Inside is x minus 6. Here you will see plus 8 is common. Inside will be x minus 8. 6 are 48. Now again this and this bracket is common. X minus 6 will be the first bracket. X plus 8 will be the second bracket. So this is first example. Let us take the second example. Let us take the second example. X square minus 13x minus 30. Multiply the first and the last term. Again you will get it as minus 30x square. Split this term in such a way that the product will give you minus 30x square, and when you add you will get it as minus 13x. So my factors I have selected as 15, 2s are 30 and x into x square. But I want minus sign over here. Beach wala sign bade wale ko and opposite sign to the other one. So check whether our answer is correct. Minus into plus minus, 15 2s are 30, x into x square, and minus 15x to x gives you minus 13x. So your factors are perfect. Now take the common term over here, x minus 15, and the common term over here is 2x minus 15. See again your bracket is come same. That means you are on the right path. X minus 15, x plus 2 is the factor of this question. Let's take example number 3. Third example, 2x square plus 7x plus 6. Again, multiply the first term and the last term. 2 6s are 12x square. Now tell me the factors of 12 which will exactly give you the sum as 7x. Any idea? 3 4s are 12. 3x into 4x. 3 4s are 12. X into x square. And 3x plus 4x gives you 7x. So this is the right partnership. X square plus 3x plus 4x plus 6. Common over here is x, and inside you can write 2 and one x is outside, the other x comes inside, plus the x is taken outside plus 3 inside. Here you will see what is the common term, 2, and inside you can write 2 2s are 4, and this is the term x. 2 3s are 6. Again see this bracket and this bracket is exactly same. So your factors are 2x plus 3, x plus 2. This is example number 3. Take example number 4. Example number 4 is 15x square minus 26xy plus 7y square. Multiply the first and the last term. What is the multiplication of the first and the last term? 105 x square y square. And your split ups, when the number is big, split ups finding out is a bit difficult. So take this method as for split ups. 105, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Check whether these two partners are right. When you multiply these two, it gives this, and when you add 21 plus 5 gives you 26. So these are the right partners, 5xy and 21xy. Middle term is negative and I want a positive answer, so minus into minus gives me plus. 5 into 21, 105, xy into xy, xy square. Minus 21xy minus 5xy gives you minus 26xy. So this is the right partner. 15x square minus 5xy minus 21xy plus 7y square. Now what is fact? What is the common term in the first and the last group? Here the common term is 5x, and inside you can write 5 3s are 15, one x is outside, the other x inside, minus 5x I have taken out, so only y will be remaining inside. Now over here common term is minus 7y. Minus 7y into 3 gives you 21. So minus 7 into 3 is minus 21, and y is already there, so 1x will be inside. Now I want plus over here. Minus into minus gives me plus, and 7y into y gives me 7y square. Check, both the brackets are exactly same. So one bracket will contain 3x minus y, and the second bracket will contain 5x minus 7y. This is example number 4. Come to example number 5. Example number 5 is 5x square plus 35xy minus 600y square. Now again we will multiply the first. There is one more small step over here. Since the number is very big, observe the question properly. Can you see something common in all three? I can remove 5 outside and the number will become, the expression will become a little simple. 5 into x square plus 5 7s are 35xy minus 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 0 and y square. So I have taken 5 common outside. Now we will simply factorize this polynomial over here. Same method, multiply first and the last term. X square into minus 120 y square is minus 120 x square y square. If you factorize 120, your factors should be in such a way that you get 7xy in between. So plus 15xy and minus 8xy. Let's check whether it is correct. 15 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So minus into plus, plus into minus, minus 15 into 8, 120, xy into xy, x square, y square. And 15xy minus 8xy gives me 7xy. So those two partners will be taken further. X square plus 15xy minus 8xy minus 120y square. What is common over here? I'll put a box bracket. Common is x, and inside will be x plus 15y. And common over here is minus 8y. And inside will be x plus 15y. Check it all the time. X into x, x square, x into 15y, 15xy. minus 8y into x minus 8xy minus into plus minus, and 8 into 15 is 120 y square. Now the common bracket is again over here. One bracket I'll keep as x plus 15y and the other bracket is x minus 8y. So these were the example sums which were solved in the textbook. We'll start with exercise 85. Let's start with exercise 85. First question is x square plus 2x minus 63. Find the factors. First sum is x square plus 2x minus 63. Now when you factorize this, multiply the first and the last term, it comes to minus 63x square. And if you factorize this, you know it, 7 9s are 63 and 9 minus 7 gives you 2. Middle sign to the bigger number and minus sign to the other one. Minus 7x plus 9x. Check, multiply करके ये आता है, add करके ये आता है. So this is the right factor. X square minus 7x plus 9x minus 63. Common over here is x, inside will be x minus 7 plus 9 common, x minus 7. One bracket will be x minus 7, other bracket will be x plus 9. So this is the answer for the first sum of exercise 85. Second sum. Second sum is y square plus 7y minus 44. Multiply the first and the last term, you will get it as minus 44y square. Now you will split this 44 in such a way that you should get 7y in between. So factors are 11 4s are 44 and 11 minus 4 gives you 7. So I'll write y. Middle sign to the bigger number plus and the other one is minus. Check it once again. Plus into minus, minus. 11 4s are 44. Y into y square. 11y minus 4y gives you 7y. So those factors are perfect. Common, take y. Inside it will be y plus 11. Here you take common as minus 4 and inside will be y plus 11. Check. Minus 4 into y minus 4y, minus into plus minus, 4 11s are 44. Your brackets are exactly same. One bracket is y plus 11, other bracket is y minus 4. So this is sum number 2. Take sum number 3. Sum number 3 says